Hello guys, today I am again teaching you physics. The chapter is light. I myself, Kuna, from Kuna's Horizon, want to tell you something about light. Go through the video nicely from the starting till the ending and never forget to subscribe it, because subscription makes the channel powerful and your comments makes the video more improvised manner, So let us start now. Light. What do you mean by light? Light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy which causes a sensation of seeing. So light is a form of energy which causes the sensation of seeing. The most important property of light is that light always travels in a straight line. And this property of light is known as rectilinear propagation of light. The travelling of light in a straight line is known as rectilinear propagation of light. The rays which comes from the light towards an object is known as incident ray. And these objects on which light falls are of three types. One is transparent, second one is translucent, the third one is opaque. When it falls on a transparent object, it passes from one side to the another side. In a translucent object, it passes partially. But in case of the opaque object, it falls and rebounds back in the direction of the incident towards the light. And this ray is known as the reflected ray. Then a line which is an imaginary line which is perpendicular from the point of incidence, and point of incidence is known as the perpendicular from the surface of the light on which the light falls. The light is incident or the light is reflected is known as normal. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is known as normal. This is incident ray and this is reflected ray. The incident ray, reflected ray. The angle between the incident ray and normal is known as angle of incidence, and the angle between the reflected ray and normal is known as reflected angle of reflection. And this is known as glance angle of reflection, and this is known as the glance angle of incidence. And the normal is an imaginary line which is always perpendicular to the surface. Now the light is incident. Now how does this mechanism occurs? This mechanism occurs by some laws, and those laws are known as laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflection. Number one, the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal lie on one surface. And the second law, which is the important one, that is angle of incidence I is equal to angle of reflection R. Angle of incidence I is equal to angle of reflection R. Angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are equal. Now what happens to the light? How can we see an object? We can see an object due to this reflection which causes, that is of two types. One is regular reflection and another one is irregular reflection or diffused reflection. We can see an object due to the irregular reflection or due to the diffused reflection. But due to the diffused reflection. Then what is this light, white light? What do you mean by white light? So the white light is that light is a summation of 7 colors of the rainbow colors. 7 colors of the rainbow colors. The white light is the summation of the 7 colors of the rainbow colors. If we will add the 7 colors of the rainbow color, then it is known as white light. If all the lights are all the 7 colors are reflected, then we get a white light. If all the 7 colors of light are absorbed, then we get a black light. And this is known as, we can make an experiment. If any ray of light which will, if it will pass through the prism, if any ray of light, if it will pass through the prism, then the ray of light, that light is divided into 7 colors, and this is known as deviation of light. And these 7 colors are the 7 rainbow colors, and if we will add these 7 colors, then we will get the white light. And if all the 7 colors are absorbed, then we will get the black color. So this is all about the chapter light. So wait for the other further video on light, which I will release very soon. And before that, go through the videos, and go through the video nicely, so that you can understand the video what I am going to teach you, and you may gain the knowledge. But before that, never forget to break the chain of subscription. So go through the videos. If you have any doubts, if you have any clarification, you want some clarification, then comment in the comment box. Your doubts will be cleared, and your doubts and your clarification will be much more clarified, so that you can understand the chapter nicely. Thank you. I am Kunna from Kunna's Horizon. Again, I am telling you, very soon I am going to release another video on light, which will start from this one and go further more chapter things to cover it. So wait for that. Very soon, within 24 to 48 hours, I am going to release that video. Thank you. Thanks.